My name is Anuradha Sada, and I'm 8 years old, and I'm a teacher by profession. I follow Arpita ma'am and Aparna ma'am on Facebook. So I heard a lot about. I was constantly looking at their videos, and I was following them from a very long period of time. But me coming here was a reason. I was often falling sick with dust allergy. Somebody was telling me that it is a profession disease because you speak a lot. That's why you have a ear, nose, and throat issues. That's why you have sinus. I used to take antibiotics, and I decided, and I was very tired. So I decided to find a root cause, and I came to Naturale. And later on, I came here for the reason was sinus. But later on, I get to know that I have like so many issues which got covered over here in only span of 15 days with the help of Mitti Patti, where I got to know that I have some gut issues as well. My hyperacidity. I cannot have tuar dal. Now I can have tuar dal. I can have even sour fruits as well. So yes, it helped me with my acidity, as well as I had some acne prone skin, and melasma was also there. You can see my face now without makeup. So there, under their treatment, we used to have a free face mask, which helped me a lot, and I got a good skin texture now. That hip bath, then mitti patti on the stomach, then local steam, full steam have helped me a lot with my body ache, with my acidity, with my gut issues, as well as my sinus. So I'm grateful that I came here for one disease and I'm curing four or five. And yes, as prescribed, as per ma'am, green doctors has prescribed me that I have to go. I have to go under 45 days of treatment. So I'll be continuing that treatment once I come back from my holidays. And yes, and one more thing which I would like to tell you, that once I came here, I took a week's treatment, and then later on I had a trip planned of Kedarnath and Badrinath. So from 45-degree scorching heat of Nagpur, I went to 1 degree, 0 degree say for Kedarnath, then -1 degree of Badrinath, then 40 degree of Rishikesh again, then 13 degree of Mussoorie and Dehradun, and then 40 degree again of Delhi, and again 45 degrees of Nagpur. But throughout my journey, food, outside water, and this transition of weather, something like few things. One is pet kush. As the name suggests, my pet was very kush with that. And apart from that, roll on is like a multi-purpose, I can say, medicine. It helped me with my body ache, it helped me with my headache, because since you all know Badrinath and Chopta, it is all ghat. So I always used to take, rather than taking Avamine, what I used to do, I used to take roll on and I used to apply it on my head, somewhere around my nose, and yes, you are all set and done. Body